my name is Alyssa, and I'm a professional model and amateur duck herder. Today, I am taking you along with me on a go-see. What is a model go-see? It's exactly what it sounds like. You go and get seen. Today's go-see is with a well-known clothing brand.
For me, my go-see requests come directly from my modeling agency. A client will see my portfolio pictures and my measurements and decide they want to see me in person. The very first thing I do when my agent contacts me with a request for a go-see is to research as much as I can about the company. I want to set myself up for success as best I can so that I can book this job and get paid, y'all. This helps me to feel confident the day of that to the best of my abilities, I'm giving the client what they want.
The first thing I do on my go-see days is to go ahead and get my mindset right. Doing the deep mindset work needed to have magnetic confidence, unshakable body love, and rock-solid boundaries is the most important thing for a successful modeling career. I always tell my modeling students that mindset is a daily practice, not a destination. Because of this, I always do my best to do some rituals like this proactively, even if I'm feeling great about the go-see.
So I began my go-see day by having a latte on my front porch and doing some EFT tapping. This involves using acupressure to move energy through the body and release stress or anxiety. This helps me get rid of all the anxious jitters and get really grounded into my body. And now it's hair and makeup time. And as much as we love showing off those curls, it's also important to show off that face. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin my hair out of my face, at least on one side. When doing your hair and makeup for these modeling go-sees, it's important to keep it as natural as possible in order to appear as a blank canvas so that the clients can see the endless possibilities of creating magic with you and how much limitless potential you have, my beautiful friend. But you can also feel free to ever so slightly enhance your favorite features on that beautiful face. Because when you feel good, you look good, and that beautiful glow of confidence from within is what's going to keep you booked and blessed as a model. When choosing an outfit, I started with the Model Go-See uniform, which is head-to-toe black, but due to my research, I knew this was a jeans company, so I slapped on some blue jeans as well. Once I arrive at a go-see, the first thing I do is to greet everyone, from photographer to stylist. I have my iPad with me with my comp card and all of my portfolio pictures, just in case they have any questions or want to see them. They asked me to try on some products, so here's me in the dressing room rocking them jeans. What do you think? Is it a perfect fit? They also asked me to stay and do a test shoot, which obviously I couldn't record, so here's a dramatic recreation. Here's me doing my thing, posing, getting some photos taken, and here's where the photos show up. Those are the actual photos taken during the test shoot, so squint really hard. And here's another reminder about how freaking important research is for models. The posing technique that I chose to use during this test shoot was 100% influenced by the research I had done on the company. I took into consideration their brand voice and the product photos they already had up on their website. The posing style you see here on the right was done for a K-pop brand, and is a bit too edgy for the company I'm seeing today, which is family-oriented. So I went with a more classically commercial posing style, similar to the one seen here on the left. This go-see was very personal and kind of small, with only one other model besides me there. So we went out for coffee afterwards and chatted for over an hour. Remember friends, it's always community over competition, every single time.
I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into my life as a model, and please let me know if you want to see a video about all the do's and don'ts about go-sees. I would love to break down some of the biggest mistakes that I see aspiring models make at these go-sees. Don't forget to leave a comment down below with all of your modeling questions and what you'd like to see next. And while you're there, go ahead and click like and subscribe. Thank you for being here, beautiful people. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. 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 Bye-bye.